everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and today I am back with, of course, another wig review, but this is a new hair company that I'll be reviewing a wig from. So a company by the name of Ted Hair Factory reached out to me and asked me to review one of their wigs. So this is the wig that they sent me. Of course, I will give you guys all the details concerning this wig, but I am loving this wig. Right now, she's definitely a favorite of mine. So if you guys are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys construction of the cap. Then I will give you guys some more details about the wig. And then, of course, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. Because like I said, I am feeling her, okay? I'm definitely feeling her. So if you are interested in hearing all about this cutie pie from Ted Hair Factory, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap and it has an elastic band. Of course, there was some lace in the front that I did, of course, cut off. So it is a lace closure and it is a side part as well. So let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. So again, this is from Ted Hair. This is their 12-inch loose wave mixed blonde color 5x5 HD lace closure wig. It retails for $115 even, but of course if you don't want to pay full price, you can use Klarna, which will divide your payment into 4 payments of $28.75. So some information about this wig. This is a glueless install, protective style, 0 skills install, beginner friendly, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, more versatility, either side or middle part, 100% density, full and light, soft and manageable, and low maintenance. So they had sent the wig as a side part. Of course, if you don't want a side part, you can do a C part or you can do a middle part, whichever you prefer. All right, so again, this wig is a glueless wig, but I decided to spray her down because I got the Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. This extreme firm hold, and it's sensitive because I've been dying to try this, and I tried it for the first time for this wig and I absolutely love it. Okay, so I went ahead and sprayed her down, but you can wear her glueless. Y'all know I'm all for glueless wigs, okay? You can put her on real quickly if you gotta run to the store or whatever. So I absolutely love glueless wigs. Now, this is a loose wave and she's super pretty. She kind of fell over here, but that's okay. I did brush her out a little bit, but I'm loving the length. The length is really, really cute. Of course, I'll show you guys the all around. But of course, getting back to the spray, so I cut my lace extremely close. And once again, it's a lace closure, so you will see your hair. But the good thing about this wig is that I'm able to, you know, hide my hair. And yeah, I used my hot comb a little bit right here in this area because that's where the spray was at. But aside from that, these loose waves are super bouncy, okay? Super cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all around. So this is how she looks in the front, side, back, and other side. So really, really, really cute. I love this wig. She is cute. Cute shorts. Yes, ma'am. So I want to thank Ted Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, texture, the hair color, because I love the hair color, okay? Absolutely pretty. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next one.